Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the beta profile from the device itself, because the profile is what enrolls you. First, confirm you're signed into the Apple ID tied to the beta. Then go to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management, find the beta profile and tap Remove Profile. You may need your device passcode. Once done, restart the device to clear the profile from active system settings. This prevents future beta updates tied to that profile. Next, you must unenroll your Apple ID from the Apple Beta software program, because removing the profile alone can leave your account marked as enrolled. Sign into your Apple ID on the Beta program site with the identical Apple ID. Choose Unenroll this Apple ID and confirm. This severs the account-level enrollment. Then make sure in Settings or System Settings, you turn off automatic beta updates in Software Update. Otherwise, the device could still offer beta packages until it sees the unenrolled. Finally, complete the transition by installing the latest public release. This replaces any beta bits still present. If your device remains labeled beta, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to force account sync, then reboot. If an update fails or the enrollment persists, check any other devices tied to the same Apple ID and repeat removal there. One key troubleshooting tip: if the beta flag won't clear, contact Apple support. They can remove account enrollment server-side and prevent unwanted beta restores.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.